guys, good morning, and it's 7 a.m. in the morning, and right now I am standing in my balcony talking to you people and gonna start my day. First of all, I'm really sorry. First of all, guys, I'm really sorry for not so being active on my YouTube channel, as I was busy in my last year exams and couldn't find proper content in lockdown. And because of some traveling restrictions, I've decided to be quite active on my social pages like Instagram, and even I have made couple of videos on YouTube Shorts. Okay guys, so this is second morning of mine in Lonavala, and yesterday only we have reached to this place. We were around 20 people came through train. Actually we were trying to take a bus, but the thing was it wasn't easy to manage so many people in roadway, as you have to make a kind of e-card from police when you are traveling outside in any private bus. Now I can see the traveling restrictions are being quite polite, so we have taken advantage and decided to come in train only, because that's what quite easy and manageable. And within 2 hours we reached to this place, not much far from station. It's around 3.5 kilometer from Lonavala station. I will add every single detail in my description box, and if you guys need, I'll make a complete tour video, because many of my people and just many people asking me where you are staying right now, what is the rent and accommodation price and everything. I will definitely share every details in my video, guys. One more thing, guys, I want to add right now is as you can see, my left eye has some swelling on upper side, because I got an infection right before this vacation, and my mom was continuously telling me, put this medicine, put this, and please take care of your eye, because I have to go into the pool also. And I was just using some eye drops and taken my infection medicines, because nowadays there are so many diseases happening in our surrounding and everywhere. I mean, we all are stuck between so many viruses and diseases. So I will definitely tell you all, if you guys are getting anything on your face or anything, just please take care of yourself, because it's very hard to manage and it looks quite I get uncomfortable, because I was not even trying to make video with this swelling eye. Musa, hi kar. Chal, hi kar, chal. So guys, as you can see, I'm going downstairs to check like who is awake right now. और अभी ब्रेकफास्ट का भी टाइम हो गया था. जैद जो मेरा कज़न है, ही मेड चीज़ मैगी फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. So guys, I'm done with my breakfast and now enjoying my tea. आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट मैं और मेरे सारे कज़न्स, हम सब एक रूम में जाके कॉमेडी शोज़, मूवीज़, और हम 3 लोग फैमिली मैन सीज़न 2 देख रहे थे. जनरली हम ट्रिप्स वगैरह पे जाते हैं, सो वी रिलेटिव्स यूज़ टू प्ले अ लॉट, एंड शी इज़ माई मामी हु इज़ प्लेइंग बैडमिंटन विद हर किड्स, एंड वी ऑल जस्ट कज़न्स डूइंग टाइम पास एंड स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद ईच अदर. Okay guys, so now I'm heading towards pool, and as you can see behind me, there were so many of my relatives enjoying in the pool, my mom and everyone. So yeah, just let's get into it. It's sad to say कि बारिश स्टार्ट हो गई थी हम सब जब पूल में थे, सो आई कुडंट एबल टू कैप्चर एवरीथिंग एज माई फ़ोन इज़ नॉट वाटर रेजिस्टेंस. वी हैड स्नैक्स एंड टी, एंड देन वी डिसाइडेड टू प्ले गेम्स. और ये देखो, यहाँ से मूसा का कैमियो स्टार्ट हो रहा है. So guys, we are playing hide and seek, and right now I am hidden behind the curtains and waiting others to be out, and I'm just waiting here. 10, 11, 12, 13. So guys, मैं अभी ऊपर चेक करने जा रही हूँ कौन कौन छुप रहा है, cause I am the one who is out, so मुझे अभी डाल देना है. गाइस आउट हो गए, आ जाओ बाहर. ओ आर यू? So guys, now we have changed the plan and playing lock and key instead of hide and seek because we got so much bored in that game. Lock. सबकी बिल्ले जैसी आंख चमक रही है. चल निकल. गाइस बाहर भागो. इधर इसमें. ओह माय गॉड, मेरा फोन गिर जाएगा. भाई मम्मी कौन है? ये देखो, ये दुष्प्राणी आई बैठा है. शैतान आ गई. मम्मी मूसा 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 इधर देखना. इधर आ. हाय गाइस. 1 2 3 स्टार्ट.
Guys, please subscribe this channel and like and comment down and share it. Okay, bye.
कुछ लोग खेल खेल के थक गए, कुछ ज्यादा ही. So guys, as you all can see, these all are my cousins and we just sat in one room to play some games silently. Okay.
I am alone. This man is very rich. This man very rich.
So guys, as you can easily judge this game, we are playing Damsharaz. So guys, I am done with my dinner and finally अभी मैं वहीं पे आके खड़ी हूँ जहाँ पे मैं सुबह आप लोगों से बात कर रही थी. You all can see यहाँ पे something disco light जैसा कुछ चल रहा है and अभी हम लोग बस ये रूम में आके बैठेंगे और कुछ ना कुछ गेम्स खेलेंगे and that's how we end this day. और कल के मैं आप लोगों को अपडेट्स देती रहूँगी because there is so much to even explore this place. So guys, as you can see, it's finally not the end of the day because we are going to have dinner. Oh God, वहाँ पे कौन खड़ा था? So in dinner we had Sikh biryani and we just all enjoying a lot. ये मिनाज है और स्नैक्स किधर गए? ये इसाक स्पॉटेड विद स्नैक्स. ये भूत कौन खड़ा है? मूसा, व्हाट्सअप. So guys, this brings us to the end of this day and I'm finally on my bed going to sleep and we'll definitely meet tomorrow with new start. guys, good morning. It's our final day here, and we are going outside to take a nice walk and expecting others to join us. So yeah guys, I'm really gonna miss this beautiful place, and you will definitely watch the complete room tour on my YouTube channel, another video. I'll keep that link in my description box. अभी तक बहुत थोड़े लोग ही दिख रहे हैं मुझे. ओके, जैद को हम लोग जा रहे हैं उठाने के लिए अभी. सो लेट्स गो इनसाइड दी हाउस. क्या हुआ, तबीयत ठीक नहीं है तेरी? एक्चुअली this guy is suffering from fever on last day and he's not feeling well, but still we were insisting him to come with us for a walk so he might feels better. मूसा, याद आया कुछ नासिक वाला? अभी भी वॉक करने जा रहे, जब भी वॉक करने जा रहे थे. हाय कर दे अब, चल तेरी ऑडियंस को. कौन से गाने बजा रहा है सुबह सुबह?
नदियों पार का समर. दिला दे घर चंडीगढ़.
दिला दे घर लोनावला में. चल हाय तो बोल दे एक. Guys, it's feeling so nice here, and finally we are doing a walk and going back to our home soon by today's evening, and just feeling very relaxed here, and I don't want to go home at this point. I want to stay more, but we have already spent 2 nights 3 days here, so I think this is enough, and we'll continue our stay at some other place, and that will too I capture in my video.
So let me catch you, so let me catch you slipping by.
Just have a look how Musa is coming up with so much snacks.